This camper van is the Nugget Plus Trend from Westfalia. It's a small camper, though I think it comes really into my classification of a car. Anyway, let's give it, it's 534 centimeters long and a height of 286. And I was given the width with the mirrors to 231, but I don't normally include the mirrors, so that's not really fair to say so. 5 sitting places, 4 sleeping places, and 42 litres of fresh water and wastewater, and it takes one of these small gas canisters. You've got space for 2 95 amp batteries. There's the bad news: 85,276, and it has something else which is a major thing which is missing as well. Right, we've got this bench here for 3 people. I suspect it wouldn't be particularly comfortable to travel in, although it might make a okay bed. And this is the problem with seats becoming beds: they don't really work for either one nor the other. Well, most multi-role things tend to be that way as well. There you've got some, you can bring the thing will come forward to actually provide you a double bed in that position. Oh, let's come through. You've got a bed up here in the roof, and as you can see, that slides down here to make a sort of bunk bed situation. As I come to the back here, we find we have here a toilet. There's a little ladder which might help you get into the bed above. Here we have your wardrobe, or some storage, let's say. Got more storage here and around the top as well, and here, and this bit here is sort of gone to waste. Now, last year there was a lady actually for one of these, exactly the same colour as well, who was parked near to me when I was in Gdansk, and she had 2 dogs in the vehicle, and I've got to say that her vehicle was even a worse mess than mine. So I'll have to try harder as far as having the messiest vehicle on the road is concerned. This is a very unusual sink, isn't it? You've got a sink there and a sink there. Oh, there's a request not to mess around with things inside and leave it to the staff. So for people like me, I think they appreciate that I have a vague idea how things work. I did say vague idea. 2 burners with a splash thing there. I think that's quite good, that splash thing. And down here we have storage, and there's the place for the that's a ladder. Well, to get into the bed, I suppose. Maybe you want to stop cooking though before climbing into bed. And here we have cushions which would be needed for the makeup bed below. Electrics down there and there. So right, what I like about something like this is the tiny footprint. It does have a toilet, but the shower is here. It's got an outdoor shower, so that doesn't actually count as a shower for my purposes, for my definition. So this can't be called absolutely self-contained, but you know, at least it's got a toilet. I think actually a toilet's possibly more important than the shower. I mean, it does have all that fresh water, 41 litres as well, which isn't too bad. So I'm going to allow this to be called a camper van, although with reservations on the use of the word camper van. Let's have a look at one or two others whilst we're here along a similar line. And this is the Nugget Limited. Sounds like the name of a company. And you see we've got the same bed here, but it's got a tent in the roof. Oh, that's nowhere near as good as a proper bed in a high roof, but it will actually, the vehicle will go faster, and more the point is it'll burn a lot less fuel. Don't like tents in the roof though. Storage, and at the back a very similar looking kitchen. Very similar, very similar. And along the similar lines is the Marco Polo, and this thing here, not only is it pretty expensive, 75,290. It says from. This thing's going to cost more. This thing cost nearly 92,000 euros. I mean, this is a car. I mean, there's no, I mean, you're gonna have to put a porta potty in it. I mean, it looks wonderful inside. It looks absolutely outstanding, but it's a car. I mean, I do appreciate that you might want a car with some cooking facilities in them, and this one here, this Marco Polo, which has got it's a activity. It's a luxury car which you can have a lie down in, and you can get you can put the awning out for. So, and it comes at an appropriate price. Here we have the Club Joker. So I noticed that it's got diesel heating and warm water. Boiling, but the boiler uses diesel. This thing here comes at a cost of 97,000. That's a 9 and a 7 and 3 zeros. I'm not making these prices up, you know. But what we've got here is something I do much more appreciate, and it's this. They've got a proper shower internally. It's not very big, but hey, this is a very small vehicle, and it's got a lot of space inside. Yeah, so I mean, if Westfalia wanted to give me one of these vehicles, I'll take this one, please. You can sleep down below, and you can sleep in that thing up the top. So of all of them, I prefer this, but that's a fair whack of cash, isn't it? 97,000. I'll show you the Club Joker City as well, another one I really do like. Oh, mind you, this one's really cheap. It only cost 96,000. There you go. Toilet in the back, and very similar looking around. Good, so I'll take you back to the one we started off with, which is this one here. I do like the colour of this, by the way. It was Lass I was sort of seeing, and she got a Land Rover Defender in this colour, and she had to order it specially. So Nugget Plus from Westfalia, and thanks for watching. I upload every day at 21:15. That's an hour earlier in the UK and 9 hours earlier in California. If you found it interesting, you might want to subscribe, and that would be nice for me, because I can say I've got a new subscriber today, and that doesn't happen every day. Well, actually, that's not true, it does. Thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Dusseldorf.